Dear students, it is the sixth video and we are covering some of the stylistic issues in scientific writing, simply precisely because much of the debate have been already made about the stylistics in many ways in the previous sessions. In this video we are going to cover the remaining parts plus the assignment. Here, ending sentences with prepositions. This point is that do not end your sentence on the preposition. Prefer to end your sentence on some other word, not on the prepositions, because preposition always needs a verb. Some person become confused. Thereby, this style is normally used in media writing, or it may be preferred in poetry and much preferred in formal or in literary writings, but in scientific writing they prefer not to use it. Ending sentences with prepositions. Preposition, small connecting words such as at, about, to, under are used to clarify relationships between the words, especially between the verbs and the receivers of the verb's actions, mean objects. We all have heard admonishments against ending sentences with prepositions. That is not preferred, but such as a rule never really exists. With the principle of not splitting infinitives, it was mostly passed down by grammarians. Clear? It is the history has been given that we should not split these prepositions, not split the verbs. Fine. For example, here is the example. He was not sure which sample to look at. The sentence is ending on the preposition. Therefore, if a sentence ending with the preposition sounds weak to you, revise it by moving or eliminating the prepositions, but do not defy the meaning or the natural word order. They prefer it that you should not end your sentence on it, and if you have to do so, modify it, but remain this, that you must try to remain in the natural word order, because science is best be taught in the natural word order. And here you have seen that Shakespeare's Henry V include the line, who serves you under. Clear? Who serves thou under means best example, but it is still confusing that whom he is saying and who serves and how serves and when serves and where serves, whereas the scientific information needs all these things explicitly explained. Now come to the assignment. The assignment is that write a report about robotics for the metric level Pakistani students. Clear? Adopting their level, means a repetition, adopting their level, that write a report for Pakistani students, and you should analyze their audience, mean for the Pakistani students, and you should yourself analyze your audience, that what is their interest, do they have the background information about robots or not. Clear? What is their understanding level, do they take interest in robotics, have they ever watched a video film, or have they live experienced a report in a shopping mall or somewhere else. Clear? Fine. And once you have analyzed your audience, that they are the audience, and you have well about their background information, you should judge it by any tool you can ask. If there is your nephew or little brother or sister is already there, you can make an hypothesis level there, and then write a report about robotics according to their level, so that they may understand it. What things you should include in it? Use easier vocabulary for them, simple and direct sentence structures, easier examples, attractive and meaningful diagrams, use especially typography, font size, bold, headings, this and that, so that very document may be very attractive for your audience and they read it willingly and diligently. Hope you have covered this topic week 8. The week 8 in summarized form is all about the reader's adaptation, how to make your reports, discussion, communication according to the level of your reader. Use the words, sentences, diagram, logic, reasoning so that your communication may become successful. Secondly, we covered that what points are considered in readers adaptation, for example, background knowledge, information, training, culture, and all others. And there were lastly some few stylistic errors, that do not use contractions, do not use dangling modifiers, do not use split infinitives and contracts. Thank you very much. Hope you will have understood it.